So you're on your driving test. You're in Bradford Thornbury. You've turned left off Hamstrasse. You're coming along this road. You're then following the signs for the airport, which means you'll be taking a second exit. You're in gear 2. You're now gently going to go into gear 3. You're going to observe the crossing, and it's safe. There's nobody waiting, nobody pushed the button. Where then people are crossing, you must look over to your right there, or you will fail your test. We can see the van coming round. I'm going into the correct lane, the lane on the right. Looking to my right, and I can see a car coming round the roundabout. I can also see this blue car that came from my right. It's safe. Looking again into gear 2, looking at my right, looking at my traffic lights ahead of me. Staying in gear 2, looking in my mirrors inside and left, signalling left, looking in my left and right door mirror into gear 3, following the road ahead at a gentle pace. I'm in gear 3 and I'm doing exactly 20 miles an hour. You'll then be asked to continue following the road ahead at these traffic lights. Leave a safe gap between you and the vehicle in front, ideally 1 car space between you two. Come to a stop in neutral. If you've got auto hold, it should automatically come on. If not, apply your park and brake. Going to gear 1, find your biting point, look in your mirrors, gently move off, bearing in mind the speed limit's 20. I'm now in gear 2. You can hear the gear change. Looking in my mirrors, adjusting my speed for the speed bump. I'm now doing 16, now I'm doing 20 miles an hour in gear 2. You can hear the car wanting a gear change, so either drop my speed down to 17, or you can see somebody getting out their car there, leave them plenty of space, and now continue if it's safe. Back into gear 2, back at my cruising speed, which was around 15 to 17 miles per hour. I can see the traffic lights red. Your examiner is going to expect you to follow the road ahead at these traffic lights. Left mirror check, because I will be coming into the left lane. Signal not necessary. Back to my side of the road, making sure I'm not encroaching on the lane opposite, turning right. You can hear the car wanting a gear change. I'll drop my speed back down to 17. These cars want to overtake me, they can do. I'm doing 18 miles an hour and I'm not going any faster for anybody. I believe I'm travelling at a safe speed and appropriate speed for the environment I'm in, considering it's freezing conditions and it's 3 degrees outside. As you follow the road ahead, you'll then be asked at the traffic lights to continue following the road ahead. So I'm in gear 2, clutch down, into gear 1, gently find my biting point as I'm still rolling, checking my mirrors, it's safe. Back into gear 2 again, following the road ahead. A left mirror check here, because I'll be moving into the lane on the left. Left mirror check again, signal not necessary. Now back into gear 3. And the speed limit is back to 30. However, I will travel at a speed that I think is appropriate for the environment and the road conditions. I'm looking ahead, I'm watching the bus. I can see the 2 cars behind the bus, looking in my mirrors. As the bus starts to brake, as the white coloured car starts to brake, I come off the gas, anticipating potentially they could be coming to a stop. Now looking in my left door mirror, because I intend to position slightly left. Left mirror check again. I'm watching the big Jeep that's parked on the left hand side of the road. Gently start braking behind the bus, leaving at least a 3-car space, and keeping that constant with the vehicle in front, i.e. the bus. The Golf looks like he wants to overtake. Looking in my mirrors, cannot see any emergency vehicle or cyclist approaching, potentially going round the bus. Now on your driving test, you'll be asked to return back to the test centre. If you are returning back to the test centre, then you would position right of the giveaway. If you're going ahead like I will be doing, you will then keep left. Now I'm looking in my mirrors, keeping a good gap between me and the bus. I can see clearly past the bus. I intend not to stop behind the bus, and if I do, making sure I can see ahead, over the bus, around the bus. So let's say, for example, we're going back to Thornbury Test Centre. You'll see that I keep this junction clear, making sure the vehicle behind me isn't signalling to go into that junction. So if he was signalling to turn into this junction on the left, I'd gently edge forward. Now let's say, for example, I'm going back to the test centre. I would signal right and go behind the white coloured first car that you can see. So this gentleman here, we can see in the HBP partial number plate. I would position behind him and go into lane 2, which is exactly what he's doing. But because I'm going ahead at this junction, I'll stay in the lane on the left like I'm doing now, and I'll keep left. And that's all it is, guys. That's how we fix our little faults. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.